It's a new dawn in the jungle. Survival time begins. Several birds begin to scramble to create their habitats. One of which is the pileated woodpecker. This bird belongs to the kingdom Animalia and the class of the aves. The pileated woodpecker is the third largest species of the woodpeckers in the world today. This bird is native to North America, Canada, and the Pacific coast. The pileated woodpeckers, they are usually black with a red crested crown. The diet of the pileated woodpeckers mostly comprised of insects, fruits, nuts, berries, caterpillars, grasshoppers, termites, and other insects. At maturity, the adults can grow to a length of about 40 to 49 centimeters long, with their wingspan spreading up to 75 centimeters wide. The pileated woodpeckers have a lifespan of about 9 years in the wild, and they can live for up to 12 years in captivity.